Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that can arise when dealing with file permissions on Windows systems. In this case, we have a situation where the command prompt is denied access to a directory, despite a shell like Cygwin being able to navigate the same directory without any issues. The output of the CACLS and ICACLS commands reveals some interesting discrepancies in the permissions set for the directory in question. Now, let's dive into the solution for this puzzling problem. The key lies in understanding how Cygwin handles privileges differently than traditional Windows programs. Cygwin grants the cBackup privilege and cRestore privileges to administrators, which essentially act as a way to bypass most ACL checks. By setting these privileges at process startup, Cygwin processes gain elevated permissions that allow them to access files that would otherwise be restricted. It's a bit like having root-like access on Linux, granting you additional powers to interact with files and directories. To delve deeper into the solution, let's focus on a specific piece of code that plays a crucial role in enabling Cygwin processes to override ACL restrictions. Lines 523 to 528 in the code snippet provided are responsible for setting the cRestore privilege and cBackup privileges for processes running under user tokens in the administrators group. These permissions essentially provide a workaround for navigating and accessing files that would typically be off-limits due to ACL restrictions. By understanding and leveraging these privileges, Cygwin processes can operate in a way that differs from standard Windows programs, allowing for more flexibility in file access. In summary, we've explored a perplexing problem related to directory access permissions on Windows systems and uncovered the unique approach that Cygwin takes to navigate around these restrictions. By understanding the concept of privileges like cBackup privilege and cRestore privilege, we've shed light on why Cygwin can appear to have elevated access compared to traditional Windows programs. I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and solutions. Like this video, and don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more content, and until next time, happy computing.